Good morning, and we are going up the Tracy Arm Fjord, heading towards the glacier. And you can tell by the way I'm dressed, it is cold. It is windy, but it should be spectacular. How close we get to the glacier will depend on the ice flow that is in the, how much ice is in the fjord, but should be fun. The Tracy Arm Fjord is in Alaska. It's near Juneau, and it was named after the Secretary of the Navy, Benjamin Franklin Tracy. Like I said, it's about 45 miles south of Juneau, and it is the heart of the Tracy Arm Fjord's wilderness area. This wilderness area contains over 650,000 acres and consists of two deep, narrow fjords. One is the one we're on, the Tracy Arms, and the other is the Endicott Arms. Both these fjords, they're about 30 miles long, and at least 1/5 of the area is covered in ice. However, during the summer months, these fjords can become congested with the ice flow coming off the glacier. As we go further and further up the fjord, we start to see more and more ice starting to come through. And the big question is, how close to the glacier can we get before we run into too much ice? And that's what we're going to see as we continue going up the fjord. As you can see, the further up we go, we're seeing more and more ice. But also, the scenery is just spectacular. The mountains are high and rugged, and glaciers and snowfields cover the tops of them. As we got closer to the glacier, which is Sawyer's Glacier, the boat slowed and became slower and slower, mainly because the ice began to get thicker and thicker. And as you can see, there's some pretty good chunks of ice there that could cause some damage to a ship if it was to hit it. And this is as close as we got. Little opening and a little split in the fjord, and we just kind of sat there, spun around, but this is as close as the captain chose to take the ship up because of the ice. But that didn't end our glacier experience. Later in the day, we hiked about 1.5 miles, 2 miles up to see the Mendenhall Glacier. And here we are coming up on the, I believe it's the Nugget Falls. The Mendenhall Glacier is behind me, and right there is Nugget Falls. Beautiful. Due to climate change and ice calving, the Mendenhall Glacier has retreated 2.5 miles since the mid-1700s. Nugget Falls is a spectacular fall that plunges 377 feet down the rugged mountainside into Mendenhall Lake. Before the glacier receded over the recent decades, the fall was said to actually splattered onto the ice itself. Some accounts say accumulating water would have spread out across the glacier's surface. The Mendenhall Visitor Center is only 13 miles from downtown Juneau, so well worth a visit. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Bob Allen Adventures. Thanks for watching.